Okay, I have a couple more examples down here. So we're going to try these guys. Again, they give us the domain. And remember, our domain is just a fancy name for x. So we're going to put -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plug this x value into my equation here. So I have -2 times 2 minus 1. That's going to be -4 minus 1, which would be -5. We'll have 2 times -1 minus 1 equals 2 times -1 is -2 minus 1 would be -3. 2 times 0 minus 1 is 0 minus 1 or -1. 2 times 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 2. 2 times 2 minus 1. Again, all I'm doing is I'm plugging these values, these x values, into my equation. 4 minus 1, which would be 3. Now that I've got them all plugged in, I'm going to come down here and graph. So the first point I'm going to graph is -2, -5. So -2 on my x-axis, 5 on my y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1 on my x-axis, -3 on my y. 0 on my x, -1 on my y, 1 on my x, 2 on my y, 2, and then 3. Oh, see, I know that I've made a mistake, guys, because my graph does not make a perfect straight line. You see that? If I bring my ruler down here, and I line it up, I don't have a perfect line. So I know something's wrong with this point. So let's go back and check that one out. That point corresponds with this guy. So I have 2 times 1, which would be 2. 2 minus 1 isn't 2. Look at that. I made a mistake. 2 minus 1 is actually 1. So let's go back and double check that point. So that is actually the point 1, 1. We're right here. Yeah, that looks much better. That lines up much better on my graph. So that's a way that you can self-check yourself, is to ask yourself, are all these points that I'm graphing going to make a straight line? And if they don't, then I need to go back and double check my work because I've probably made a mistake somewhere.